Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Master of Ceremonies of this evening, Priya.
Hello, everyone. Hello and good evening to all you lovely ladies and gentlemen present here. It is a beautiful day and we have gathered here to celebrate an even more beautiful occasion of the American Premier League's opening ceremony 2021. Can we hear a round of applause for the APL? I would like to take this opportunity to welcome all the distinguished guests we have present here today, including the team management, the team owners, and of course, the team players here with us at the Yogi Berra Stadium. And also, I would like to give a big welcome to the hundreds and thousands of viewers who are currently seeing this program live remotely from all across the globe. So, once again, ladies and gentlemen, please give yourselves a round of applause to the audiences here and who are watching us from all over the world. Awesome. So before we kick off the event officially, I would like to say a few words. So historically, as we all know, cricket is one of the most liked, most loved, most watched, most special, and of course, most celebrated sports all across the globe. And as you all can imagine, it has a very special place in the heart of every South Asian out there, especially when it comes to the India and Pakistan matches. Don't you all agree? Awesome. So, to give you all a little bit of context about the American Premier League, APL started not too long a time ago, but today it has grown exponentially so much, especially with the love and support from ardent and passionate cricket lovers like you all across the globe. That today, APL is creating a historic cricketing revolution right here in the United States of America. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the American Premier League for you. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I would like to welcome all of you all to witness this momentous occasion of the opening ceremony of the APL. So, without any further ado, I would like to give a special shout out to the amazing 7 highly spirited and amazingly talented teams we have here with us. So these teams represent the multiple communities living right here in the United States of America. We have here with us the Pakistanis, the Indians, the Bengalis, the Aussies, the English, the Windies, and of course, last but not the least, we also have the Americans here with us. Can we hear a huge round of applause to all these wonderful team players here? Awesome, that's the spirit. So, I, with no further ado, would love to welcome our first guest speaker onto the stage. So this person is the hardworking man behind the amazingly talented players we have here today with us. The absolute fantastic lot here. So, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, please put your hands together and welcome the Chief Selector of the American Premier League, Mr. Afzal Bhatt.
Good evening, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Afzal Bhatt. Now it's time to see who are these different teams competing and fighting in the American Premier League. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, I would love to introduce each team management, the owner, and the team players themselves to assemble here. So the format we have here is quite simple. So we have the teams arranged in the alphabetical order right on the right side of the ground here, and the team led by the team owner and the team players respectively will occupy the center of the stage, and followed by their respective national anthem, we request the team owners to say a few words. So to begin off, we have the American team representing the center of the stage first. So please put your hands together and welcome the American team. Thank you, Team Americans. Can we hear a huge round of applause for Premium Americans?
Soar like an eagle, prove your elite. You're free to believe and to prove that you're truly a team. In the home of the brave and the land of the free, the world will believe and surrender to thee.
Up next, we have the team Premium Indians. Let's welcome Premium Indians onto the stage, please.
Day's getting near. Time to compete with the best and prove you're supreme. You're free to believe and prove that you're truly elite. In the home of the brave and in the reign of survivors.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have one more final round of applause for all the 7 teams here. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at one of the most anxious moments that all of us, including the team players, the management, and the audiences here alike, have been waiting and looking forward to. Yes, it's the unveiling of the majestic APL trophy. For this, I'd now like to invite some esteemed guests of honors onto the stage here. Firstly, the APL team management, the COO of the ARY Digital Network, one of the most largest premium Pakistan television networks of the world, who's also the esteemed president of our American Premier League, our very own Asif Jamal. I'd also like to welcome the very special founder and CEO of the American Premier League, Jay Mir, as well onto the stage. I'd also like to welcome all the team owners of the 7 teams who are here to play with us. Can we have the team owners onto the stage? Last but not the least, we'd also like to welcome Sam Joshi, the Council Vice President and the mayoral nominee of Edison. Can we also have Sam Joshi onto the stage, please?
We have 27 investment just as big sponsor based on your list.
Ladies and gentlemen, now on to some fun part of today's events. We next have a very interesting and dazzling Bollywood performance by Anna's World Entertainment. Please put your hands together and welcome the lovely ladies from Anna's World Entertainment.